everybody, welcome back to Let's Talk Tornado. Today we are going to be going over our severe weather forecast for the next 3 days. Today it is August 13th, 2025, and we're just going to go over our severe weather outlook for the next few days. Let's get into our day 1 outlook for today, August 13th. As we do have a slight risk over here in South Dakota, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility today over here in South Dakota. Usually slight risk probably means we could even see lines of storms, we could see scattered storms. Low chance for any kinds of supercells, but we do have a chance to see a few tornadoes today as well. We do have a small 2% tornado risk, which usually means an isolated tornado or two, and will be possible, which includes the cities of Pierre, Sioux Falls, and this area, where isolated tornado 2 would be a possibility. Also includes the cities of Winter, Platte, Chamberlain, Rosebud, Valentine, Ainsworth, and O'Neill. It also includes Pierre. So that was the tornado risk. So you guys could see a few isolated tornadoes. We also do have a wind risk. We can see some strong winds up to 70 miles per hour, possibly, and some small hail in this area. And then we do get a marginal risk going around it, which actually goes into parts of northern Wyoming as well, which is a pretty small marginal risk, pretty much the same thing as the slight risk, a little bit bigger. But yeah, that's our marginal risk. And let's check out our second outlook for today. As we already did our first outlook, which is up here, and and then now we need to see our second severe weather outlook for today, which we're also expected to see some severe weather today over here for parts of Pennsylvania today, which we really need to be watching out because there's a lot of scattered storms in this area. This includes Vermont, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New York City, parts of southeastern New York, includes southern Pennsylvania, Maryland, northeastern Virginia, eastern West Virginia, and Delaware. It also even includes New Jersey. Scattered severe weather will be a possibility in here. There will be a very low chance for tornadoes in this risk, but we do get a marginal risk for severe weather, which is a level 1 out of 5. And let's check our risks for today over here. We don't have a tornado risk, but we do have a wind risk over here. We can see some winds up to 55 miles per hour, and a small hail will be a possibility, but we don't have a hail risk outlined. You see all these storms on the line right here? These are all of the storms that are producing the marginal risk. This is why we have a marginal risk. It's because of these lines of storms. This could produce winds up to 60 miles per hour, possibly, as they move east towards Connecticut, Rhode Island, New Jersey, in this area. So if you're anywhere in this circle or in this circle, I recommend canceling any outdoor schedule plans and stuff like that, as well down here as well, and in here. You guys also should cancel outdoor activities if you have any scheduled. So yeah, and we do got a bunch of rain in the United States right now. We have a lot of rain in the United States. I mean, look at all this rain. Like, it's a lot of rain. Some rain in Ohio. So if you're in the circle, you guys do have a potential to see some rain. Except if you live over here in Missouri, in this area, but you guys should be fine. And northern Indiana and northern Illinois, you guys should be fine. But this whole area could see some rain. It's going to be very moist. It's going to be hot out. Stay hydrated as well. It's going to be just different than usual. It's going to be pretty moist as well. So that's what we also need to be watching out for today. We do have our day 2 outlook that we need to check out, though, which is for tomorrow, August 14th, 2025, which we do have a slight risk for tomorrow up here in northwestern Minnesota, northwestern Minnesota, and eastern North Dakota for tomorrow, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility. Some lines of storms could even move through up here. We do get a tornado risk in effect up here as well, where a few isolated tornado or two will be a possibility. Includes the bigger cities of Fargo, Jamestown, Grand Forks, and Thief River Falls is where the tornado risk includes. We do have a hail risk as well, where we can actually see some large hail over here by Fargo and Jamestown and Grand Forks. So for tomorrow, if you live near those locations, or if you just live in eastern South Dakota or northwestern Minnesota, we recommend parking your car in a garage so it doesn't get damaged by hail. We do got a wind risk. We can see winds up to 60 miles per hour. And we do get a little marginal risk coming off of the slight risk, which goes down here into South Dakota and parts of Nebraska, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility tomorrow. Let's check out our day 3 outlook for August 15th, 2025, which is just another small marginal risk for the area, which includes South Dakota and parts of southwestern Minnesota, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility on August 15th in that location. That was our day 3 outlook. The reason why there's so many severe weather just staying in this area is because of our, the troughs, jet streams, and all the stuff has just been causing severe weather just to stay up in that area. And we also been having tropical waves coming off Africa too as well. So yeah, and everything. That's just what we got. So yeah, now we got all the severe weather down and all the rain and stuff down. We even see some strong thunderstorms in northern Mississippi today. Just gotta note that. But now we got all the severe weather down. Now we need to get our tropical weather down. So we do get tropical weather. So if you just wanted to see this video for severe weather, you can click off. But if you want to see the tropical weather too, you can keep watching. So we do have a tropical storm Erin over here in the Sargasso Sea, which is over here in Atlantic Ocean, sorry. Which could turn into the Category 1 hurricane pretty soon, and then turn into a Category 2, then a Category 3 hurricane. By August 18th, around 8 a.m., is where we could see that happen, and we could also see it turn into Category 3 on August 17th at 8 a.m. as well. So just note that, and it could turn into a strong hurricane as it moves in through the Atlantic. It goes north. It goes northwest, you could say. It's kind of going this way. But the thing that gets concerning about this is that it could actually make landfall on some land. So the entire east coast of the United States needs to be watching this. Needs to be watching Erin, because it's not looking good. It could just go up here, but it does have a potential to go onto land somewhere. In my opinion, I'd especially watch out if you're in North Carolina or Virginia, Delaware, or Rhode Island, because those are the areas that could get hit. But Maine, also watch out. Don't forget Maine up there. Georgia, I also keep an eye on this. And Florida, you guys should be good. You guys probably don't have to worry about this, but just in case, just watch it. Just in case it does make a shift. But if it does make landfall, this could be a pretty devastating hurricane. So let's just hope that does not happen. It goes up into the colder waters. And we also do got a tropical disturbance over here with a low % chances of development throughout the 7 days. A tropical wave over the Yucatan Peninsula is producing disorganized showers and thunderstorms. This disturbance is forecast to move west-northwestward and across the Yukon Peninsula today with no significant increase in organization. Some development of the system is possible after it emerges across the southwestern Gulf beginning on Thursday while it moves to the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. The system is expected to move inland over the northeastern Mexico by late Friday, which could diminish its chances of development. So yeah, we could see some tropical development over here as well in the Gulf of Mexico, near Mexico. So let's just try to be watching it. I do have a hurricane warning over here. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching Electric Tornado. Stay weather aware and have a good day. I'll be making update videos daily now and everything. Thanks guys for watching. Please consider subscribing, and thank you. Have a good day and bye. Stay weather aware. Bye.